Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log formula in Excel. You can log particular cell which has formula, or you have where you have applied the formula. You can log the formula. You can hide also. You can also hide the formula in Excel. So let's start with the video. Before we going to start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and comments below. So let's start with the video. Here we have the Excel sheet that have sample data. If you need to share your Excel sheet to others, and you want to hide your formulas, or hide your or log your cell which has formula, so there is a many option you can work on. So first I show you how you can lock sheet, and how you can unlock and make protect this particular cells or particular rows, and how you can keep how to keep some sale for, how to keep some sale for editable means others people can edit. Okay, so if this case I have this sheet, and this is formula. Okay, I just mark. Okay, you can see there is a formula, and this is a total data which I total here. Okay, so if I want to log only those formula has formula, or those cell has formula, and those I want to, you know keep edit keep cell which can edit by others. Okay, first I have to select the all sheet, and now I have to click right of your mouse, right click of your mouse, go to the formula cell, and now you have to go to the protect, and uh, make sure it is by it. This dialog box has been ticked. If it is unticked, just tick it and click on OK. So now this is the command to the Excel dash. The Excel sheet has been, protect now. And now if you want to keep this cell to editable, just select this cell, and now you have to go again to formula cell, and for this cell only you have to untick it and click OK. So now you have to go in the views, sorry, reviews, and go to the protect sheet, and here you can select lock it cell, select unlock it cell. Okay, the these two action we took, and this is a stick, by default ticked. And you can, if you want, you can, enter the password to protect more access sheets. I did not enter the password, just click OK. Now it is protected. When I edit here anything, it will be edit. Okay, if I edit anything here, it will be edit. But if I want to try edit here, it won't be edit. It will be show the, like error that your cell chart you're trying to change is protected sheet. Okay, so the formula cell has been locked. But you can see when you select the formula cell, so the formula will appear here. And even you can hide the formula from this cell. For that you have to select all cell by manually. If you have used formula cell, or you have used data, so just go to home, and here you have to click and find out. Go to the special. Okay, come on the protect. This is protected sheet. Okay, first we have to unprotect all. Okay, I show you the from first. First I have to unprotect it. Now I have to click on formula, and I have to click OK. Now you have to I'm going to show you how you can lock cell, and I have to lock the formula cell, and even you can hide the formula from here. So just you can select the manual by manual, which cell which has formula, or you can, if you have used data, you can go in the home, go to the find and select, go to special, and here you can select formula. Then only cell will select automatically which has formula. Okay, now click right and go again formula cell, and here you can go protect and lock the sheet, and here you have to click on hidden, and you can click OK. Okay, then go again formulas, review, and click on protect sheet and click. So you can see the cell has been locked, and formula also hide it now. So that is how you can lock cell which has formulas. I hope you like this video. Thank you for